Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. Step onto the court with confidence using the Wilson Hyper Hammer tennis racket, a trusted favorite for beginners for over 25 years. Designed to make learning the game easier and more enjoyable, this best-selling racket combines lightweight construction with a powerful, forgiving design. At just 8.96 ounces, it's effortless to swing, reducing strain on shoulders and elbows during long practice sessions, so you can play longer and improve faster. The 27.5-inch length and 110 square in oversized head give you extra reach and a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit accurate shots, even when your timing is slightly off. Beginners will also love how easy it is to generate spin, allowing you to explore new shot shapes and develop a versatile playing style. Its balanced frame ensures confidence in every serve, helping new players feel in control on the court. Beyond performance, the Hyper Hammer delivers incredible value. You get mid-range quality features at a beginner-friendly price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious shoppers who want a reliable racket without breaking the bank. Available in multiple grip sizes, this racket adapts to your hand comfortably for a natural feel and better control. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a dependable practice racket, the Wilson Hyper Hammer is designed to accelerate your learning while keeping the game fun. Lightweight, forgiving, and affordable, it's the perfect companion for every new tennis player ready to hit the court with confidence. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. This racket makes learning tennis easier, more enjoyable, and more affordable than ever. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Step onto the court with confidence using the Babolat Boost S tennis racket, a racket loved by players of all levels, including numerous professionals. As one tennis enthusiast noted, Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, and the Boost series is proof why. Purpose-built for beginners, the Boost S delivers everything you need to improve your game without unnecessary complexity. Designed to add an extra boost to your returns, this racket combines power, control, and comfort in every swing. Its 10-ounce construction is lightweight enough for effortless swings yet substantial enough to drive through shots, giving beginners the feel of a more advanced racket without the struggle. The 27-inch length and 102 square in head size offer a perfect balance of reach, maneuverability, and a generous sweet spot, making it easier to hit consistent, accurate shots. Whether you're practicing serves, returns, or rallies, the Boost S ensures a controlled, stable feel that helps you build confidence on the court. Like other beginner-friendly rackets, it's designed to reduce strain on your arm while allowing you to generate power naturally, making long practice sessions comfortable and enjoyable. One of the most appealing features of the Boost S is its affordable price, striking a perfect balance between quality and accessibility. It's an excellent option for players ready to level up from standard entry-level rackets without spending a fortune. Available in multiple grip sizes, this racket adapts comfortably to your hand for optimal control and performance. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. The Babolat Boost S is the ideal choice for beginners seeking a reliable, performance-driven racket that grows with their game. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. For beginners who are serious about improving their game, the Head Graphene 360 Plus Clash 108 V2 tennis racket is a top-tier choice. While it carries a higher price tag, this racket delivers unmatched comfort, control, and responsive power, making it perfect for players committed to long-term improvement. Designed with an enlarged 108 square in head, the Clash 108 V2 provides a generous sweet spot, forgiving off-center hits and minimizing mishits, essential features for beginners learning the fundamentals. At 10.48 ounces and 27.25 inches long, this racket strikes the perfect balance between stability and maneuverability. Beginners will appreciate how easy it is to swing, while the frame's responsive design allows for precise shot placement, helping players develop accuracy and confidence across every aspect of their game. The Graphene 360 Plus technology enhances energy transfer for more powerful strokes without sacrificing control, ensuring each hit feels solid and consistent. Beyond performance, the Clash 108 V2 is built to last. Unlike cheaper sub-$100 rackets, this premium racket can withstand years of regular play, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about tennis. Its combination of durability, comfort, and advanced playability makes it suitable for beginners and intermediate players alike who want to grow into their racket. Available in multiple grip sizes, the Clash 108 V2 adapts comfortably to your hand, giving you better control and feel. If you're ready to invest in your game and experience a racket that grows with you, the Head Graphene 360 Plus Clash 108 V2 is the ultimate beginner-friendly option for comfort, performance, and longevity. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Prince Geo Speed tennis racket is a trusted choice for beginners and recreational players seeking a reliable, easy-to-use racket without breaking the bank. Known for its durable construction and generous hitting surface, the Geo Speed makes learning tennis more approachable and enjoyable. Its 105 square in head provides a large sweet spot, giving new players more forgiveness on off-center hits and helping build confidence with every swing. Measuring 27.5 inches in length and weighing 10.4 ounces, this racket offers excellent reach and maneuverability, ideal for smaller players or anyone with a shorter swing. The extra length also enhances power on returns, allowing beginners to generate strong, consistent shots with minimal effort. While it may not match the performance of professional-level rackets, its thoughtful design ensures a comfortable, stable feel on the court, making it perfect for weekend matches, practice sessions, or casual play. One of the standout features of the Geo Speed is its value-for-money ratio. Prince has packed all the essential beginner-friendly features, lightweight design, durability, and a forgiving head size into a racket that remains highly affordable. It's an excellent option for parents buying a first racket for their child or newcomers who want a reliable stick to start learning without committing to a premium model. Available in multiple grip sizes, the Geo Speed adapts comfortably to your hand, providing better control and reducing strain during extended play. For beginners and casual players seeking a durable, high-value racket, the Prince Geo Speed is a dependable addition to any tennis gear collection. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULSV5. Step onto the court with confidence using the Head T.S6 tennis racket, a perfect blend of beginner-friendly design and technology trusted by the pros. While you may not be ready to invest in a high-end professional racket, this model gives you a taste of the innovation behind Head's championship winning gear. Novak Djokovic and other top players have relied on Head for years, and the T.S6 brings some of that expertise to an affordable, entry-level option. Featuring a massive 115 square in oversized head, the T.S6 provides a generous sweet spot that makes hitting consistent, powerful shots easier for beginners. Its 27.75-inch length increases reach and leverage, helping new players generate more power and improve accuracy with each swing. At just 8 ounces, unstrung, it's incredibly lightweight, allowing for effortless maneuverability and reducing strain on the arm, shoulders, and elbows during long practice sessions. Though pared down compared to Head's premium models, the T.S6 still delivers a stable, forgiving feel, making it ideal for players learning the fundamentals or adding a reliable recreational racket to their collection. Its combination of oversized head, lightweight design, and trusted technology ensures that beginners can enjoy longer rallies and build confidence quickly on the court. One of the best aspects of the T.S6 is its value for money. With a sub-$100 price tag, it's one of the most accessible rackets that still carries head's professional-grade pedigree. Available in multiple grip sizes, it fits comfortably in your hand for better control and swing consistency. Specifications: length, 27.75 inches. Weight, 8 ounces, unstrung. Head size, 115 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. The Head T.S6 is an ideal first racket for beginners seeking comfort, forgiveness, and the benefit of professional-grade technology without breaking the bank.